Hello guys, for today's video we're gonna talk about disassembling and assembling of your personal computer. Also, we will identify the parts and their functionalities, and we will show you the whole process of disassembling and assembling of your personal computer. So first, let's identify the part of your personal computer.
Hello everyone. So I would like to identify different parts of computer. So here's the motherboard. Motherboard, the main circuit board that holds the CPU, RAM, and other essential components. It provides connectors for other peripherals. And second is CPU, Central Processing Unit, the brain of the computer responsible for executing instructions and processing data. Third is random access memory. In short, RAM. Temporary memory used by the CPU to store data that is being used for process. Fourth is HDD. HDD means hard disk drive. Traditional magnetic storage device. Fifth is solid state drive, SSD in short, faster flash-based storage device. Sixth is power supply unit, PSU in short also, converts electrical power from an outlet into usable power for the computer components. Seven is GPU. GPU means graphic processing unit, which means it handles rendering of images and videos. It can be integrated into the motherboard or CPU or exist as a separate card. And number 8 is CPU cooler. Maybe a heat sink and fan combination or a liquid cooling system. Case fans help to circulate air and maintain optimal temperature within the case. Number 9 is expansion cards. Additional cards that provide extra functionality such as sound cards, network cards, or additional USB cards. And lastly is internal cables. Connect various components such as power cables, SATA cables, for storage devices, and data cables. That's all. Thank you.